Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you my two cats, and I'll show you them right now. Yeah. Oh, and I also have a cat on my shirt. See? It's so cute. See? It's so cute. So cute. Wait. I got it out Once Upon a Child last night, and I got these shorts too at Child too. I picked them up, and they say dance on them. I've got it backwards for y'all to see, but whatever. I told you what they meant. What they said I meant to say. Okay, let's just, okay, so here's my cats. Here's cat number 1. Say hi, Lars. Hi, Lars. Lars. His name's Lars, and he's so cute. And yeah. And here's Princess. This one. You've talked a lot about her before. And yeah. This was the first cat we got, and then this was the second one. Princess and Lars, I love you so much. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all that. But listen, my video's not going to be that short. So yeah. I'm going to do another video right now. Okay? So I love you guys. Bye. Subscribe, like this video, comment below, turn on your notifications, and yeah, love you guys. You really thought I was leaving? Well, never did your book by its cover.